So we're currently on the back roads of Samoa. We're trying to make our way from the Beulah Caves to Lalomanu. And we drove past here after we left the Torsua Trench a few days ago. And this is something that really struck me about Samoa. The massive rolling hills, the high mountains, the deep valleys, and just the lush vegetation that covers all of this area. It's so beautiful. I think why it struck me is because my experience of the islands has so far been Fiji, the main island, and Tongatapu, where I grew up. So I haven't spent too much time in the Va'o or the Hapai groups or the other areas of Tonga. But Tongatapu is quite flat. There's not a lot of hills. For the most part, you're just driving on flat land and you're close to the coast. And most times you're pretty much at sea level for a lot of the time in Tongatapu. But like just looking across the outside here, you can see how there's like a huge mountain range, and I'm not sure how high off the from sea level elevation we are, but it's just so stunning. The beauty of Samoa is just something else. Really, really quite breathtaking. I really appreciate it. Samoa, you're beautiful. What village this is, Sarah? You know what village this is? Oh, true.
Kindly let us stay here.
What is it? Luffy. Ah.
The Mormon church kindly let people use this without paying.
Yeah.
Without paying.
Without paying. It's pretty loud. Even when we pulled up in the car, you could hear it. So you reckon this is the loudest it's been since you've the times that you've come here?
Yeah, this is definitely about it. It's raining.
Yeah. I love how lush this whole area is. It's so beautiful.
It's so scary.
Oh snap.
It's because it's been raining. Hey, it's been raining so down. We might just, we might not put it in it. We'll just do it. Careful, slippery rocks, guys.
Yeah, that sounds pretty rough. Holy.
Local swimming in it. It's safe down here, but they have that go Anton bombed off this, and we might do it today. Oh, watch where you go, brother. See the file.
There's some people swimming down there. But yeah. Probably won't get too close to the actual waterfall. It looks like their way is shut. What? Sarah, where does that go to? Oh, okay.
Usually the stones go all the way. This is massive. The rain.
So it's quite deep at the moment, eh? That looks beautiful.
Okay.
You gonna go in, Hila?
I don't know. It'll be freezing. So yeah, the boys went down here and Roma's got stuck on the rock, like they don't like it.
Oh, yeah.
So I don't really want you guys to fight.
Yeah, we'll just go have a little dip over there. Yeah,
Are you only supposed to stay in that area?
maybe. Let's go have a look. Money, you going in?
Well, I need to. I'm not going in because I'm too cold. You know, you're right. Yeah.
You gonna go in?
Definitely not.
After you. Gee, there's tons of water flowing down from that waterfall. Super rough. Challenge is to get down these rocks without slipping. Luckily, I got my safety shoes on. Yo, what's up?
She's helping us know what rocks not to stand on.
Ah, okay. Alright. Ooh, water's kind of cold. It's cool, but it's not freezing. It's not like New Zealand water. Take my bag off. I don't know what these boys are out to. Hey, is the current strong? What's that? You can, oh sure, you can see it's pulling you away. Hey, he's off.
AFDA no ngai yo ko ku asia si mai si o ma ko a fio ai ka fia man e ko ka papa a fio ai na ko kama le alo ali i ku pole sava uso ali i ka ua mai nga fiao ala ka sa ni ko i no le lima ma ku o fa le
Finish a quick little dip at the waterfall. Do you know what the name of this waterfall is? Out here in Luffy Village. That's so good. The current's really strong. The name of the waterfall, what is it? Saungatsu. Yeah. True. Got a mini waterfall here. Look, bigger. Even just sitting on the rocks and letting the current run past you, that was real nice. And you guys are saying that you guys usually go all the way down, eh?
Yeah.
But
That's what we call it. The log fleet.
ah, true.
You just let the current take you, and you kind of put your feet up to stop the rock
Yeah.
hitting you, so you can gauge it with your feet,
Yeah,
and you're basically like in the log fleet, and you're just letting the current take you
blow
away.
away. Has there been any dodgy situations when you've gone down here?
No, not really. I feel like the closer you get to the waterfall, probably the most dangerous part of the thing.
Oh, true, with all the water dropping down.
Yeah, just because
Probably push you in the water too, eh?
yeah, because of the thought of like being stuck under.
Yeah.
But other than that, it's pretty safe.
Even when I was jumping off the rock, I was like, I could feel like some of the current sort of pushing me down a little bit.
Oh
So I
yeah.
was fighting a little bit to swim back up.
Oh yeah.
Wasn't too much of a struggle, but
Yeah.
it was
The
nice.
water all runs down, so they have a current pushing you always.
Yeah. Nice. Off to the next spot now. So this is the garden toilets in Beulah. This beautiful lush growth over here. And as you walk through, Got a little sink, toilet, and a beautiful view. I can imagine when it rains, it comes showering down. It's really nice. It's beautiful. Just going to share Beulah freshwater hole. That's for everybody going to the end of the caravan.
Yeah.
Anton over here been through the cave, once.
Yeah, once.
Freaky. Especially how dark it is down there, like it's pitch black. You're saying you have to like hold your breath for like 30 seconds or something?
Vai ke le ua ma apua fale loa le ka fe ua fale lula lo asi Vivang malpai ala silasi tama tinga male waluma a yo e nga ai malo sina fia so le fiku fale sa welcome to my room by le lo eva e siri e ku tito ayo solo manamo aulele.
So we just arrived here in Lalamanu.
I made a hole for some reason because I was bored. And I found a camera up in the angle. And then I buried it again. And then I broke it for a second. I was finding it. And I
The kids are already set up to go into the water.
Wait, what time is it?
It's a nice overcast day. The sun popped out for a little bit and it was just super hot. Pretty glad it's overcast. So beautiful here. Lalamanu was a beach that got hit by the tsunami in 2009, and my nephew was saying that the water rose higher than this coconut tree over here, which is quite a few meters up. I can't guess how much it is, maybe 5 meters or so plus. You got some restaurants to the left there. Bunch of different fales, and my cousin was explaining that the different colors of the fale represent different families that I guess they have ownership over these fales. So when we arrived, a lady came in, asked for some payment for the use of the fale, and yeah, we paid her. And one thing that I've really come to appreciate about Samoa is that the kind of sense of economy that goes direct to the people of the land. So there was a lady who came in, asked us for some payment because we were using this fale in front of us. And these fale belong to her and her family, and then the ones further down there probably belong to the other families. But like if you compare that to a resort, for example, who, like I experienced in Fiji, we went to a resort who hired local Fijians from the local village as their staff, but whoever has control of the resort can control how much the people get paid. It doesn't necessarily mean that because you're hiring local people, you're definitely getting paid a lot of money. But in this case, the money goes direct to the people of the village, and there's no middleman. It's pretty cool. Kind of really appreciating that the kind of economy it is. No other business, no other middleman involved. There's no one taking a cut, and the people of the land are getting the direct amount. That's nuts. Oh, Yo, how's the water?
It was good. Yeah, the snorkel.
Yeah, we got
Okay.
like this big. I think it was really it was really nice because we went our first couple of times and there wasn't much fish, but then we went, like after that, me and Dad went, and then we went back with Amani, and those times there was so many fish, more fish in the water. They were massive and they were really bright and vibrant and colorful, and it was so nice.
Massive, vibrant, bright, and colorful.
Yo, yeah, we had a really good snorkel. Lalamano is a beautiful beach. There's a rope area where beyond that, you see a lot more coral and seaweed and larger fish there. So me and the kids managed to swim out maybe 20-30 meters beyond the where the rope and the buoys were, and yeah, it was just really beautiful. And the thing is, my cousin was saying how whenever she comes to Lalamano, the sun comes out, and all day today it had been overcast, maybe like a spot of sun here or there, but the couple of hours that we were here was sunny for most of the time, so it's been really beautiful. It's been a really good time in Lalamano, and maybe one of the best swims we've had so far in Samoa. But yesterday we were at the clam sanctuary, and it was quite special because there were 2 turtles who came and swam with us, and they hung around for quite a bit, and a few of us managed to touch the shell of one of the turtles, so that was really special, and that might have been one of the highlights for me, swimming with the turtles and seeing these massive clam shells. So yeah, Lalamano was really beautiful. Again, just like adding to the multiple terrain and scenery of beauty that we've seen so far in Samoa. So beautiful. Malo soy from Lalamano.